I want to tell you one thing. I know it's noisy here, but I want to tell you that I was, going to my room from the office, and when I left the office to my room, to heading to my room, and I decided I will, you know, go towards the India Gate, and I will, make video at India Gate. I will show you the India Gate in this blog, but I, set a map and chose location to my destiny, to my room, you can say, and I, chose a direction in the Google Map towards the India Gate. But Google Map is so, I don't know how and why it's, has been changed, and it takes me, a different route, and now I don't know where I am. But when I seek India Gate is not, will be on my route, and this is why I am making this video at this place. I am on, main road, but this is why I am deciding to share with you. Google Map is not a good friend for you because it change your, direction as it thinks fit for you. I am not, I chose a different direction and different route. Direction was the, different, but the different route. Which route, comes towards the India Gate and High Court and Zoo of Delhi. But it's, has been changed the route. I don't know why. And I don't, India Gate is far from me now, because if I go back, it may takes, it may around 6 kilometers from now, and I am not going there from now because of I will go from this route as well, because of I want to, and I am going to my home, and it's around 5:30 p.m. now, and these guys are running on the footpath, and I will show you as well. These guys are running along with and each other. You can see different kinds of vehicle on the road. I am shooting this video on the road, and I know it's noisy here. You can't even, I know you are here, you can hear me, but it's noisy here definitely. I don't have a mic, a wired mic or wireless mic. I don't have now, and I am recording this video through the internal mic of the phone, and I know it's noisy because of it captured my noise. It captured my noise with, it captured my voice with noise, because it's not a wireless or wired mic. I don't know, the clarity was not good, and clarity would not good. And this is the bus, you can see this is the DTC bus, and this is the main road. You can see the roadside area. I am standing at the roadside for making this video. You can see the sitting area here and waiting area. We can say waiting area for the passengers, and passenger can go through this footpath. This footpath is made for passengers only, and now I am feeling so comfortable. I don't feel shy for making video, because of everyone is doing their job, and I am also doing my job, because I want to entertain myself in English, and this is how I can improve my English. For improving my English, this is why I am doing this kinds of blog or videos on road, because if I shoot my video at my room, I feel so boring, because there is no structure there, and some kind, I think the topic, on which topic I should talking on today, and this is why I decided to make this kinds of videos, so that we can talk about many things. For example, I am on the road, I am at the roadside, you can see this is the road, and this is, you know, the many vehicles are running on the road, and different kinds of like bikes, four wheelers has, you know, four wheels to running on the road. And if you have four-wheeler, you can drive it, not ride. We drive the four-wheeler. And if I talk about the bike which has, you know, two wheels, I rides. We use in English, I ride. This is how I, you know, ride my scooty and ride my bike, not drive. We can't use drive for, you know, two-wheelers. Because of this is the simple reason, and this is, you know, the part of listening. If you listen carefully, I am not saying if you listen on YouTube or, you know, Instagram reels in English, if you watch any content in English, you will, you know, improve dramatically. Your mind shifts to English from the native language, because you listen which is, you know, correct, because you don't know which is correct or which is wrong. If you listen native speakers and native creators, if I talk about my Hindi is so good, and people can say yes, this is the right teacher for us. But I am learning English, so I usually listen and watch this content on, you know, YouTube only in English. I set my phone and whatever I watch on YouTube, I usually watch now from sometimes in English only. Even though I would not able to, you know, understand each and every sentence, but still I listen and in English, so that my mind can, you know, understand in English, not in my, you know, my mother tongue is Hindi. This is why I, you know, switch my watching content on YouTube from Hindi to English. And this is how I am training my mind and push my mind. You can see now, and I am on the road, and there are so many peoples and looking at me in such a way कि what I am doing, and I feel so shy when some people looked at me in such a way कि I am, you know, stealing something, or I am doing something strange from them and with them, not from them. But you know, they feel like why I am doing this. From doing this, I am improving my English, not for them, but for myself. This is why, you know, they are doing their job for earn money. Okay, I am, you know, preparing, and I am learning a new skill by, you know, practicing English. This is my, you know, this would be my perfect skill for making money, making much money that I expected. Because of I am a lawyer, and in my, you know, profession, if I able to communicate in English, I would get, you know, how can I say कि I can, you know, earn the proposal, and I can get the proposal. I know, how can I say कि I can get the better proposal. And now I am at the corporate sector right now, and I am working for corporate sector. And in corporate sector, there are so much, you know, salary in a different kinds of post. Legal post, I am talking about legal post, I am not talking about HR or something. And in legal post, and in legal, you know, department, I can earn so much money if I communicate with, you know, foreign clients. If I communicate with, you know, foreign, and if I deal with the foreign client, I definitely makes lakhs in a day. Yes, I am not joking to you. And this is, you know, my senior is earning so much, and he motivates me to, you know, learn English. And they don't, you know, share, because of they know how to speak, and he's a speaker, he's a, you know, good speaker in English, and he deals with the foreign clients in English, because his, you know, English speaking is so much better and far from better than me. I am learning phase. I am a beginner. I am not saying I am a perfect because of I know my strength, but one day I will be a better speaker, and not a speaker at public space, but I will be better communicator. I want to be a better communicator, a good communicator in English. I can one day I will be communicate in English to you perfectly, without hesitation, without any get without getting stuck, and without flipped any word. And you can see my improvement. I am thinking about this kinds of video. When I record myself on road, I feel so comfortable, and I don't know from where my fluency come from. I don't know where my fluency come from when I shoot myself on road, but it is it feels I feel so confident when I speak fluently, when I feel like yes, I am confident and I can say everything in English, and I can whatever I see you know in my eyes, and what I am seeing on the road, and what any object I can identify in English. If I identify in English, and I can express my view about that object or a man or vehicle, whatever may be, in English, I feel so confident, believe me. And now there are so much people, some are driving their car and looking at me, I don't know why, but I feel so shy now, and I am just you know let's go to the room now, because it's almost 12 minutes to speaking now, and this is that time I think only in English. Otherwise I usually I want to say there is a ear pod in my ear, and I am driving, and not I am driving, I am riding my scooty to reaching to my room, and I am listening only in English. I am listening a podcast, not a music, because music I don't understand the English music now, because I don't get the words from the music. This is why I usually listen only podcast when I travel, when I go to the my room from the office. And in the morning, if I talk about morning, if I left from my room to office, I usually listen what I want to listen in the morning time, but in English, so that my mind can observe only in English, and I am training my mind. This is how I am improving day by day. And you can see the difference. My You can see on my channel my previous video and now this video, you will see definitely a huge difference. I'm not saying, because I feel so confident, and this is why I am sharing to you my journey. And I never edited any video, never, because I want to trace myself as well, how much time it may takes to, because English is not my native language. English is not even, I am from Hindi medium. My schooling board is not CBSE. My schooling board is UP board, and UP board means you only learn things, and only learn and do any exam in Hindi. And now I am learning English for getting job, getting better opportunity in life and career. This is how, because it's my need to learn English. And in school time, we don't think what is need of English. Let it be. Now I am if you are beginner and if you want to learn English, you can see my journey. I am learning from the very long time, and not in proper way, but now I am learning in proper way, so that I can improve. And now I am improving as well. I feel improvement in myself while I record my video, because if I want to say something in English, I can, and you are watching a live example in front of you, because I don't edit any video while uploading any. I'll upload on daily basis so that I can track my journey as well. Ki did I practice yesterday or not? Did I practice 1 month before or not? There is no such a day in which day I didn't practice. I practice each and every day. Now it's time to go to the room now, and now bye bye. Bye.